Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. What's really happening on the market? It seems like the market is reversing. The market is actually reversing on DXY. We are actually on DXY. We don't really have to waste much of your time. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now let's jump on that. So today it's actually technical analysis Tuesday. So Mondays is going to be my fundamentals Monday. Wednesday I will see what we can do. So on Tuesday we just focus on technical, nothing much. We don't really check the news, and then we check everything once a day, right? So that we can actually have enough focus actually on the market. So what's really happening currently? We can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice, it was actually on a very nice uptrend. Yeah, that line is very thick. So after that, we see that the market actually broke out of our support area. We had a very nice support area. The market broke out of that. If you still remember, I said with this type of a breakout, there is enough room for the market to do what? To reverse before pushing even lower. I'm not saying that the market is going to reverse maybe and continue on that bullish momentum, but that is possible. Remember, this push, it was because of NFP last week Friday, and the market pushed even lower. So most likely this type of moves, the market will end up pushing up. It's not the same as interest rates or CPI, so most likely we might see the market continuing pushing to the upside. Early in the morning I saw something like that. I don't know if that is also correct, but I'll have to wait and see for this retest. Yes, it seems to be a very nice structure. Maybe, but for now, let's wait for this to mature and see if maybe the market is going to come here where the market broke out and retest and start to push the lower side, or maybe the market will just continue pushing to the upside. We'll have to wait and see about that. But for now, it seems like the market is trying to reverse. And for those who don't know, this is US dollar, right? It's a dollar index, which means when you see it pushing up like this, it means the likes of Euro USD is obviously pushing down, GBP USD down, and the other ones, gold, is also doing the same, you see. But the problem is the market going to come back and retest before, or maybe the market is just reversing? We don't know. We just have to wait and see. But we just have to mark that area and see if maybe the market indeed is going to break that or not. If the market is going to break that, it's fine. It means that the market is going to continue pushing to the upside. But there is a structure that the market created there. We have to mark that because that is going to be our potential support. That is now a proper support for us. If the market comes back, we're not going to think twice. We know that, okay, this is going to be our next support. Maybe the market will be playing like that, or maybe we need to sell, we might sell around this area, or we will wait for the market to go even below that, because the market can respect that area. So you're not going to sell around here, but we can sell below that area or below that support area. I hope you understand that. I hope you see that. So we are still waiting for the market to do its thing, especially when it's after the breakout. So we don't actually have to do anything here. So now we are actually on GBP, JPY, quite straightforward. The market just broke out of that downtrend. We saw a nice retest. Where we are now, we can't do anything. So now I can mark this area. We can also mark this area. This is a support, now a resistance. So even this area seems to be creating a resistance. So we need to know if the market will come and respect this area, or maybe the market will even go lower before respecting that, because we can easily see that we don't really have a retest, and the market can do that. And where we are now, we can't do anything unless if maybe the market creates this proper resistance if it creates this proper resistance, we can say, okay, after this, we can say we can buy above that. But if it's just a one structure like that, it's not really enough. We just have to wait for maybe the market to go even lower before we can say, okay, now it's our time to do what to buy. What I like is we actually not late. The trend is still very new. We were on a very nice downtrend, so there is a room for the market to do its thing before we jump on the market. We don't really just have to just rush and just buy just because we know that it's going to be an uptrend. No, the market can reverse. Just imagine when you buy here and then the market reverse and come back and retest here. I don't think you're going to survive that. You're going to lose enough. So once you get out, then the market pushes to the upside. That is not really good. It's better to be patient enough just to wait for the market to push a little bit lower before we push the upside. Patience is everything. Patient is everything actually in the market. What happened, what I was talking about, it's now happening actually on GBPUSD. So now we are actually on GBPUSD. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, share with your friends. So now we were actually on a very nice downtrend on GBPUSD. The market was doing its thing. We saw that before the market breakout, we had this structure, a ranging structure, which created a wedge or this sort of a triangle. Guess what? We were waiting for the market to break out, and indeed, on Friday, as we had NFP, the market did break this resistance. So the question is, will the market actually respect this area? We had a highest area there. Let's clear that so that you can see. We don't really have to guess. Everything is, the market will just give us everything there. So what's really happening is, will the market actually respect this area, or maybe the market will come back around where it broke out? It depends. It depends. Sometimes the market might respect this area because that is also a structure that the market created. So the market might create something like that and push the upside. And there is also a chance, or it's also a thing that the market can do. The market can still go back straight where it broke out and create a nice retest before we see a push to the upside. Or maybe the market might just continue pushing lower. That is also possible. We don't know what the market is trying to do. But what do we know now? We have this area. The market created something there, and we're going to call that our resistance. That is the first higher high of this trend. So we don't know if maybe the market will respect this and push up, something like that, or maybe the market will even go lower. But I'm expecting it to push even lower so that we can have a very nice buy before we see the market pushing up. But we will see. The market will give us those structures. We don't really have to guess. Everything is on the chart, and everything has to be there on the screen. So I don't think maybe we need to guess anything. So now we are actually on Euro USD. I hope everyone is doing great, guys. I hope you are doing great. Tell me on the comment section what you want me to cover. If maybe that thing I'm not actually covering, or any idea that I can actually use on this channel just to benefit you guys, just to benefit you, that I'll be happy to do that. Actually, I'm planning to go back on the live sessions, but hey, they sometimes take enough time because I also have to trade, but we will see about that. So what's really happening on Euro USD? Very nice structure that the market actually broke out. This structure was actually a downtrend. The market was going down, and we were looking for sell positions only. Guess what? The market broke out. On Euro USD, I think our retest is very closer. So I'm expecting the market to retest before pushing up. Yes, guys, the market can also do its thing and continue pushing lower. Just because I said the market might retest there, it's not like the market is forced. No, the market is not forced to respect that area. We don't know what the market is thinking. So the market might actually even push even lower. And if it push even lower, we will think about actually continuing with that downtrend. If not, maybe the market will respect this area, then we will start to look for that buy, and that will also confirm that, you know what, now we are on that uptrend. But for now, we're still guessing. We don't really know. The market can still continue pushing to the lower side. That is possible. So let's push to the next one. Or maybe someone can say, Kenzo, don't you look at your left hand side? There is something. I think there's also something there, and there is a possibility that maybe the market was just adjusting. There is that possibility. You can see that. You can see this area that is also around the same level. So maybe the market is just going to respect that and push the lower side. So that's why we say it's much better for us to relax and see what's really happening. So now let's go straight to gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold, it was pushing up very nice. It was pushing up very nice, but yesterday the market was quite slower. I saw it seems like today it's actually a holiday in the US, but I think that is not going to disturb the market. So what we see is we saw DXY pushing higher. Now we see gold pushing lower. You see, yes, we might see a reversal anytime, but it seems like this sell is quite stronger. There is nothing we can do. It's a breakout. Let's wait for a retest before maybe we look for a continuous sell. But remember, we were on a very nice uptrend there, but the market just broke out. So now our job has to focus on this area. Whether the market is going to retest or maybe the market is going to create a structure that we can use, that we can say, okay, the market created something here, then if it breaks that, we can continue selling or something. But for now, the market just broke out. We can't just jump anywhere there. We don't know if maybe the market will create something. If you check on your left-hand side, you will see that, yeah, one way or another, we have some structures, but we don't know where the market is going to respect those ones. You see, so that's why we say, let's just try to be extra careful. The market will create something, obviously. The market will have to create something for us. Then we will no longer guess and we will focus on those structures. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US30. I'm supposed to give a signal on this, a very nice structure. I think we just going to jump on a sell. Guys, you can still join our team. Scan the QR code. The special is done, guys. The special is done. Now we're back on our normal prices. You can see there. So if you want to be part of the team, let me know. Scan this QR code. Actually, you can tell me if you want to join 12 months, 6 months, or lifetime signals. Then it's up to you. So let's go back on our structure. So we have a very nice structure here on US30. So the market is still actually on this nice downtrend. We have a very nice resistance there, and the market is actually respecting this area. We saw it since yesterday. The market was not even moving. So even today, I don't think the market will move that much, but I think it's a very nice structure for us to do what? To look for a sell pending order. And it's still very closer to our resistance, so we can have a very nice stop loss above that area, even if it's not really far, and that can actually work in our favor. Because if you check here, that it was an area here, it was also another sort of a structure, another resistance, and now the market is also meeting this diagonal resistance. They all meet around the same level. That can be something. So if we have a sell pending order there, I think we might actually eat very nice. So this one has to go, actually. This has to go up to that point. So we have a structure like that on US30. So I'm expecting a very nice sell. So after this video, I actually have to send that. So I've been actually waiting since yesterday. If you checked our analysis yesterday, you will realize that yes, the market has been struggling actually to even push the upside. So now it seems like that continuation of a sell will actually happen as we see the market struggling to break our resistance. So I think this is just straightforward. You can see that we are actually on the downtrend, very closer to the resistance area. So a sell pending order can just do a magic there. A sell pending order, and that can be a swing trade, guys. We can hold this very long. That's why we say join the team. Let me know if you want to be part of the team. And by joining the team, it's quite easy because you can even recover your amount actually within few signals, which is very good because our signals are very cheap. So anyways, I see a very nice sell structure there. So anyways, I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.